Heading to the border. Well, we're at the border.
At the border. Hello and welcome back to Dax and Lex. In this video, we're heading to Canada to celebrate my 29th birthday. This trip was a very last minute trip. We didn't really have much time to plan anything, so a lot of it's just us sightseeing in Niagara Falls and just getting a sneak peek at Niagara on the lake. Honestly, we didn't have much time and we were still planning on heading towards Toronto, but overall, we still had a good time. Okay. Welcome to Niagara Falls. Here's the Wi-Fi code. No, well, it's there. Hey everybody!
Yeah, all excited. It's 12 o'clock in the morning.
12 o'clock?
Somebody had to do their homework.
I did have to finish my homework because we're trying to become a software developer over here. You feels me? Oh, you can't even see the E. It looks like an F.
No, and you can't really see the L. Sky-eyeing.
Sky-eyeing. So we're trying to figure out where people are because we lost. We're in night with civilization. Yeah, we're getting closer to them. We're seeing people now.
Dark.
Okay.
A little dark, but we are walking to the Clifton Hills.
We are.
Because where we're staying is only a 10-minute walk from it. Like we said earlier, it's a little late, but from what we had researched, everything stays open until about 2 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to try to find whatever's open, maybe go to a bar, get some food, see what we can do. We need to go to around this curve.
We got here at 10.
9:57.
9:57. By the time I finished my homework, it was 11. It was 12.
It was 12.
But we did some stuff between then, like getting checked in,
Happy
getting
birthday,
situated.
Gideon.
Oh, thank you. I am now 29 years old.
Ooh, you're old.
I'm almost 30. Gosh, I'm almost grown. Like a real man. You know.
But that's the main reason why we're here. I flew to Ohio and then we drove to Canada so that we can enjoy Daniel's birthday. Plus, we haven't seen each other since before May, or like beginning of May.
I know, it's weird having you like with me. But yeah, I know we're back reunited. And look at that. There's like, even though there's nobody here right now, really, there's a lot of cool things to look at. You know, it's also Thursday night, so it might be a little bit more chill than like a Friday. You want to jump in front of it? Yeah, like, or not like that. Maybe more like a woo.
That's what I thought you meant, like a...
Get some shots first. We do. Yeah, this one's colorful. Yeah. Alright. Hello and good morning.
Ooh, my eyes, my bags.
Yeah, we are early morning risers.
6:05.
6:05. We've been out here for a few minutes. just kind of enjoying the view because watching the sunrise. We got here on the N.T.L of it, but we still saw sky. Look at my legs.
We're really tired. We honestly didn't sleep like that.
We didn't. We got here at like what, 11? Didn't finish my hotel till 12. Then we went out. We explored till 2. Now we're up again at 6.
Wanted to see the sunrise in Niagara, which is nice. If we would have got to see it fully like come up, it would have been like. But it still looks really nice and peaceful. Not that many people out here, so it's really nice to see. The little seagulls are out, so it's definitely a different view from last night.
Yeah, no, we're enjoying it. It's very serene out here, very peaceful. Even honestly, like no matter what angle you turn at, it's like kind of beautiful no matter where you are. so I really like that. Yeah. We're gonna get to explore Niagara in the morning.
Yeah, we're gonna explore it a little bit more. We are actually, gonna be honest, we're gonna go back to the room, sleep a bit, and then come back out like closer to our checkout time. Maybe explore a little bit. Daniel has a meeting at 2 o'clock.
Yeah. And
then after that, continue to explore a little bit. Then we're gonna head to Toronto because we can't check into our hotel until around 3 anyway. So it makes sense to just like explore a little bit more, find different like points to see the falls. So we're trying to decide if we want to do the journey at the falls to go underneath and learn about the history of all that, or if we want to be able to see a better like eye view, because this is really nice, but I feel like there's something closer and we're just not there. It took us forever to even get to this last night. It took us on a whole different side of town. We'll explain how you're supposed to find it later.
Yeah, we'll give you the tidbits and the details.
We're gonna get back to enjoying the views.
I'm not gonna be there for you. Cause you would never leave. Don't go ask me what to do. Ignorance will never fade. No.
Keller Estates. That's probably where that nice, beautiful one was. Everybody over here just got wineries. No wonder they all got money. They all got wine. They all growing grapes.
That wasn't no good. Was you're not on your knees. Wasn't it for me?
So we ended up just kind of wasting a little bit of time. We found this little park. We were originally looking for 2 sisters, or is it 3 sisters? It's a winery, but there were so many out there, and it was extremely beautiful. Honestly, I can't even put it into words. You kind of probably should just go for yourself because it's so peaceful, so calm and serene out there. It's a very enjoyable time. Not extremely rambunctious, but definitely a nice vibe.